Hello. This is Hard Bullet. And we are unlocking skins for the Warthog James and possibly more. This is a MetaQuest 3 gameplay using a Quest Game Optimizer. So the resolution should be higher. See? Explosions. It's better. We get more stuff. Does look pretty better. Does look better. Except when there's glitches like that. But they've now added physics to these. And these things. Explode now. Also added better blood effects like that. An optimization for MetaQuest. Now the blood sustains their own clothes. Get wrecked. Those three. Right, where are they? In this game mode, you will get harder and harder enemies. So right now, they don't have any armor, so pretty easy to kill. But also, they've added better cutting in on enemies. So now, say if I wanted to stab this guy, there's now a cutting effect. Now we're getting into armor. Just now they're starting to wear more, and I'll show you what it does in a second. See, the gas masks don't really do anything except for, let's just grab this guy. It'll give him one protection for the head. Now I'll finish this. Now there is more lighting optimization in this game, so it should be better now. Hopefully, will be good. Come on. We need to fix this though. There are many glitches. This game is, we are very lucky that it is on meta and standalone. This gun not load. Because obviously this is a primarily made game. It's optimised for PC and obviously on MetaQuest. I'm playing on a MetaQuest 3, which is resolution of a MetaQuest 2, only the same storage as a MetaQuest 3, which also means I'm practically playing on a MetaQuest 2. So that's something, but I do have higher frame rate though. So they've done a good job, Hexagon, in making this game standalone. And I bet you there's going to be an enemy somewhere who's probably stuck on the floor who can't get up because it hasn't loaded the load yet. That's new. That is new. A carrot killer poster. I've added more posters. I don't know where this guy is. They're all dead. I killed, I think. But he's dead. This guy's gotta be dead. See, this is another bad problem with the game as well. They don't... I don't know where he is. Could be literally anywhere. So he's not in here. We've already checked in here. So it's either... I don't know. Do I just kill myself now, or... I'm probably just gonna get something for that because I'm on YouTube. It's alright, I don't think they'll care. I got like 1 subscriber anyways. Oh, that's another glitch. Oh, it just doesn't even let you off yourself. Not even the gas tanks. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's working. So now we'll try again. This time I might use 2 of them though. The only reason I'm upgrading this weapon because I want to get gold. Because I've already got gold on the AK or the Ivan 47. But I can also unlock the lizard. And this is the gleam. What I like about this is the gold. So this isn't full gold. I have to put this on low for YouTube. Otherwise, I have to put on a higher age restriction. No. It's alright. It's not the best. Like, there is blood still. Like if I was to take, let's take this guy. Like, watch. There's still bruising. I don't know. I really don't know if I can show this, but I'm gonna. Be quiet, man. Let's put you on here. Oh, where? Oh, mate. Do you used to have blood effect, or let's pretend this blood? Yeah, let's just pretend. Yeah, that's I've been stabbed. I love this axe. Love it. Let's go bang. I like something else about Hard Bullet. I like the way it's set out, like these maps, and because there's not many games like this. Like you have them, and the way the bullets are, and the guns. Like this, I like this gun. Obviously, this doesn't. You can't detach this, but also, I can grab guns and use them as weapons. And also, what I forgot I could even do this. I can take magazines out of enemies' guns. So let's just say. Oh, I can't show you that now. But basically, I took his magazine out. See now, this is fully armoured. What I also found out is if you go 1, 2, shoot them 2 times in each leg, they just collapse. 2, see? With these ones, the neck gets exposed, so that actually counts as a headshot. Oh, no, I don't know how good this map's gonna render because this is just like a really bright map. And also, I've added gloves and armour in the game. And now, I have this skin. Is it the axe? It's the axe, man. Get in. And that's new. What is this? What happened over here then? This wasn't here before. That surely wasn't here. But now, there's a new effect. That's something. That's also a glitch. They'll get like blood all over them if you hit them with an axe. I'll show you in a bit, but I'll show you what happens if I explode onto them. Yeah, they'll gargle on the old blood. It's lovely. I love this. I love the trench. I love the trench shovel as well. Because it's just the way like it feels so good. Where is he? Oh yeah. The armour will get dinted over time. So watch. It gets dinted. Smack me in his balls. You can also use them as human shields when they're still alive. Oh, I love you can just do this. And then just take the bullet out. That will get you there, like, but disarm an enemy like that. Crowbar. Oh, this weapon's absolutely terrible. Hate this weapon. Always hated it, and I'll show you why. I don't know if they have updated it or not. But let's. If you hit him enough in his arm. He's not giving up, is he? There we go. Steer down, man. It's terrible. It's just the way it just clunks around so much. Oh, Desert Eagle. Love this thing. Don't know how that didn't kill him. Because it's just 50 AE. It's very clunky though. And you'll notice the skin starts to flip. I love this map. I love it. But I also love another map. I've got 2 bullets in. You can even press check in this game, which I like. There's 1 bullet. Now I don't know why this game is called Pop a Bullet, but I know it's definitely, this is supposed to be put in a Hong Kong neon city, which is it's quite good, to be fair. And I'm surprised that my VR isn't turning into an oven right now. But like I said, I'm using something called Quest Game Optimizer, which does give me the resolution of a PC, sort of. See, I just got it. This is Backstreets, the 2nd largest map in the whole game. Not the first. We haven't played it yet, actually. I need to make a video on it. It's the longest recording I've ever done on my VR. And now, as you can see, got the pistol now. This video is going to be so long to download. I have to download it on my VR as well. Might as well mess around with the AK for a bit. Come back here. There are grenade launchers in the game, but there also are basketballs. Watch this, watch this. Oh. Get wrecked. This gun.
Hey!
Oh no, better die. That ears are starting to ring. So I gotta lock in. What the hell? So, I'll have to end the video because my VR is currently starting to turn to an oven. So I'll make another video and I'll see you later.